What if I told you that AI is no longer just a helpful assistant, but it is now autonomously designing the very technology humanity relies on? This paradigm shift accelerated dramatically between 2026 and 2027, completely rewriting the rules of global innovation across multiple industries. Look at semiconductor engineering tech titans like Nvidia and Intel are now leveraging AI to build next generation hardware. In fact, Nvidia's Hopper GPU architecture features nearly 13,000 circuits designed entirely by autonomous machines. These complex configurations are quantitatively superior to human engineering and involve layouts that no human mind had ever envisioned before. The disruption spread directly into pharmaceuticals and biotechnology as well. AI systems are mapping vast chemical species to engineering brand new molecular structures for life saving medical treatments. A prominent biotech startup recently reported cutting their biosensor design cycle time exactly in half using these autonomous machine driven methods. Meanwhile, Google's AlphaFold system is actively being deployed to design entirely new synthetic proteins capable of solving global environmental crises such as breaking down toxic ocean plastics in material in material science. Researchers are bypassing slow manual laboratory trials altogether by using AI to predict the precise properties of new compounds based solely on atomic structures. Behind this massive technological infrastructure are world changing figures leading the charge. Sam Altman of OpenAI is pushing hard toward autonomous reasoning and multi step planning, allowing AI models to work independently for hours on complex engineering breakthroughs. Elon Musk, through XAI, is hyper focused on real world autonomous physics, driving robotic system and vertical factory optimization at Tesla, or castrating the heavy hardware architecture is Jensen Huang of Nvidia, who is democratizing supercomputing power globally with powerful deployment units like the DGX Spark supercomputer. The immediate future belongs entirely to genetic AI systems, sophisticated tools that set their own operational goals and continuously learn from results with zero human oversight. The ultimate question for our future is no longer if AI will design new technology, but how humanity will navigate a rapidly evolving world where machines invent designs that were previously unimaginable to us. I am Muhammad Faisal Hussaini advisor. Who is like me? I am Hussaini. Labbaik ya Hussain. Salam ya Hussain.